TMC linking the CBI raids to polls as complaint against the CBI, and they've also written to the EC regarding the same. Adri, just stay with us. Let's take a look at, viewers, what did the CBI exactly find yesterday in this so-called Sandesh Khali quote-unquote arms den. Now, what did the CBI find? They found 9 foreign-made revolvers. That was the first finding, and we have, of course, a picture of the same here on your screens, as you can see. Not only that, they also found 1 Indian revolver. So again, as we were saying, a huge cache of arms and ammunition. 1 court official police revolver was also recovered during these raids. There was another foreign-made pistol which was recovered by the CBI sleuths, a country-made pistol. So these, were the type of recoveries. Also, 129 mm bullets were also found and recovered by the CBI in these raids, which were conducted yesterday. 50.45 caliber cartridges were found as well. So these were the things, the weapons, etc., which were found by the cops there. The CBI 129 mm caliber cartridges also recovered by the CBI during these raids. 50.380 cartridges also found by the CBI when they conducted these raids. 8.32 cartridges also recovered by the CBI sleuths. Country-made bombs had been recovered. Remember, they even had to call, sleuths from Delhi to, of course, ensure that they are diffused. Many incriminating articles were also found. So after these recoveries, there's a massive war of words which has begun. BJP is literally gunning for the Mamata government after the sensational seizures in Sandesh Khali, which we elaborated in detail. West Bengal BJP chief and BJP MP Sukanto Majumdar has called for an NIA investigation. He has also alleged that the searches were made from the house of a relative of a TMC leader.
বাড়ি থেকে যে বাড়িটি তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের এক নেতার আত্মীয়ের বাড়ি এবং সেই বাড়িতে লোকজন ছিল না, ইলেকট্রিসিটি কানেকশনও ছিল না। তারপরে মেঝে খুঁড়ে সেইখান থেকে অস্ত্র পাওয়া যায় এবং অস্ত্রর মধ্যে অনেকগুলো হচ্ছে বিদেশি অস্ত্র। বেশিরভাগ অস্ত্র হচ্ছে মেড ইন আউটসাইড ইন্ডিয়া। তো এবার তো বোঝা যাচ্ছে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের বিদেশ প্রীতি কেন এত, কোথা থেকে এসছে অস্ত্রগুলো, কি কাজে ব্যবহার হতো। এজন্য তদন্ত হওয়া উচিত এবং বড় তদন্ত হওয়া উচিত, এনআইএ তদন্ত হওয়া উচিত, সেটা অ্যাটাচ করা উচিত।
In fact, TMC leaders, though, have given this a different angle. They say that the arms could have been placed in the house by a political party's rivals, alluding to the BJP. Listen to what they had to say.
देखिए, अभी जब मैं आपका ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे रहा हूँ, अभी तक कोई आर्म्स हम लोग आंखों में नहीं देखा। ये डिफरेंट सोर्सेस कह रही है कि सीबीआई वहाँ पर थोड़ा बहुत आर्म्स का रिकवरी किया, लेकिन अभी तक सीबीआई ने ऑफिशियल कोई ब्रीफ नहीं किया और कोई तस्वीर, कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स अभी हम लोग नहीं देखा। तो हम लोग ये देखना होगा कि ये बदनाम करने के लिए हमारा कोई अपोजिशन यहाँ पर प्लांट कर दिया, वहाँ पर भेज दिया, फिर सीबीआई जा रहा है रिकवरी, ये एक नाटक है कि नहीं है, ये देखना पड़ेगा।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।